welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 2. If you guys haven't heard, every day in December I will be uploading a video for you guys, alright? So make sure you guys are subscribed and click your notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? So for the entire December, I will be uploading a video for you guys every day, alright? So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my delicious Guyanese squash stew. And then we're gonna put in chicken inside, alright? So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at cookingwithafton, alright? And also I'll leave the link in the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients and all my playlists as well, alright? And also I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, alright? So I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas Day 2 and see you tomorrow. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, so today I'll be making some Guyanese squash and chicken stew. So these are my ingredients here. I have my cut up squash, my chicken, my spices. So let's go season our chicken now. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my green seasoning and my mustard hot sauce on my chicken. Then I'm going to put my chicken cube. Then I'm going to put my spices, my black pepper, ginger powder, paprika. And then you're going to give it a mix. Make sure all the seasoning well mixed up into the chicken. Mix. So in a pot there now, I pour some oil and I'm just going to fry up my chicken. Give it a mix it up into the oil. So now I'm going to pour in a tin of tomato paste, and then I can mix that up as well. So now I'm going to put in my shallots, celery, onion, garlic, ginger, wiri pepper, fine leaf thyme, and give that a mix into the chicken. Let it fry up for a few minutes. So now we're gonna pour in our squash, and you're gonna mix that up again. I'm gonna put in some water in the tomato paste and throw it in there. Then I'm gonna put some salt and cover it down and let it cook. It has been cooking for a few minutes, and then you're gonna give it a stir. Stir. And then cover your pot again and let it continue cooking for another few minutes. And here you have it, guys. This is my Guyanese squash and chicken stew. Just gonna stir it for one last time. You could eat this with some roti, rice, bread, whatever you want to eat it with. You can eat it cassava bread, anything you want to eat this stew with, you can. But I'm gonna eat mine today with some white rice. So I'm gonna take it out in a bowl here. Let you guys see the stew here in a bowl. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, my Vlogmas Day 2. Give my video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and come back every day, because every day in December I will be uploading a video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for all your support. Don't forget, don't skip the ad. Thank you. Bye.